Hello guys, welcome back to another Flutter X Firebase tutorial. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to read data from the Firebase collection or table. We are going to learn about how to display data from how to fetch data from Firebase and display it in our Flutter application. So in our previous video I have showed how to add data into the Firebase. So in this video we'll learn about how to display this data. So to do that we need to create a stream function and it will take query snapshot. It is very simple. I will not make it very complex, and I will name the function read users, and then open it. And what we will gonna do is return the instance we have created earlier, Firebase Firestore instance. We are going to return it Firestore dot and then collection, and the name of our collections is this user. So we will write here that and name of the collections, and then simply dot and return the snapshots. Every data of this collection is stored in snapshot, so we will need to return the snapshot. That's why we have used the query snapshot in the stream, and that's it. The function is done. Now we are going to, the data is fetched. Now we are going to display the data from there. For the stream function we will be required to use the stream builder function. So let's use stream builder function, stream builder, and in the stream we will write the function that we have created earlier, which is read users function, and in the builder we will use context and then snapshot, and then let's save it first, and then if snapshot dot has data, this will check if the snapshot of this stream builder has data or not. If it has data, then we are going to display the data in this section, and if not, else if snapshot dot has error, if it has error, then we will throw snapshot dot error, and to resolve this error we simply need to write the null check operation, and we have done if it has data, if it has error, and the final is else if snapshot dot connection state equals to connection state dot waiting. It means that our connection is built, but the data from the snapshot is currently fetching. So in that condition we will return a circular progress indicator, a loading indicator, and then finally we will come here snapshot dot has data. If it has data, then we will need to display the data, and first things we need to return, if it has nothing, then we will return a container. We can return null, either null like this, or empty container. Basically both of them means the same thing. So in the has data section we will return list view dot builder, list view dot builder, and in the item builder context, and it will take index. Remember, our stream builder took snapshot, then our list view dot builder take the index. So in the item count it will take snapshot dot data dot docs dot length, and as you can see it has an error because it throws a null error. It can be unconditionally null, so we need to use a null check error. So that is fixed, and in the item builder our item count is also done, and in the inside item builder we can return a list view. And furthermore, for the ease of the display data to you, I will create a variable called user, and it will take snapshot dot data dot docs, and inside the docs we will access the index. And as you can see, it also throws the null error, so we can use this. And then finally inside the list view in the leading section. Oh, sorry, not the list view, but a list tile. And in the leading section, I will display text, and inside the text, we will display index dot to string, and then in the title we will display text, and the text we will use the variable we just created, which is user, and then big bracket, and then just the name of the field. But it is a name, here is name, so we can just and then write name. And another thing, our stream builder or list view builder is inside a column, which is not we have not defined any width or height, so it will throw error and it will not display anything at all, even if we have correctly placed the code. So to fix that, we can use and then wrap with a widget and then expand it. We can wrap the list view builder. We have to wrap the list view builder with the expanded widget. If you not do that, then it will throw error or it will just not display anything. And if we do this and open our app, then as you can see, it displays two users. There are only two users, 1 and 2 in our database, and here it also displays two users. And if you watch closely in our screen, that the leading or the index is starting from 0, but we will need to make it start from the 1 2 3 4 like this. So to do that, we can just simply remove this like this inside the curly bracket, and then firstly this, and then +1. So it will add the each of the index with +1. So 0 will become 1, 1 will become 2, and like that we will get the position. Now we have already done the part of this adding data to the database function. If you have not watched that, then please watch it. So let's add a user. So let's name it new user, and then click button, and the new user is also added to the database. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. I have made it simple as I can. So that's it. For the next video, we are going to learn about how to update data from the server. Now we will change the name of this user from the Firebase database. Thank you very much.